line. You can see. Woo boy. That thing is thick. So still a little bit wet. We're gonna let the sun get up a little bit higher. Try this out. And then we'll get to cutting. Let's get it. Well, people, here we go. I was so busy this year that I couldn't be in some of the stripe challenges out there. So, you know, I'll probably be less busy next year. So we'll try it then. But I tell you what, lucky for some of you that I wasn't in that stripe challenge, because this is a thing of beauty. Whew. Man, look at that grass sparkle. Nice diamonds. Got the redbud tree over there looking delicious. What would stripes be without any curved stripes? I don't know, folks. That's a thing of beauty right there.